Hello, I am Kavya Samyukta. In this video, I am going to show you how I created my login form or sign-in form using Firestore. In this project, I am going to use Express.js package. Express.js is a flexible web application framework for Node.js designed to build web applications and APIs. Creating a login application with Firebase and Express.js involves setting up Firebase for authentication and using Express.js to handle server-side operations. First, we need to install Node.js in our PC. I have previously installed the Node.js, and the second step is the Firebase project setup. For that, we need to search for the Firebase Google authentication in the Chrome, and this is how it opens. And in this tab, we need to sign in first. I have already signed in. If you don't have an account, sign up, and then we have to go to the console, and here we need to create a project. I have already created a project named login application. In this, we need to add a web app. I have added the web app and I also named it as login application. I'm going to show the app which I have added, and this is the web app. Now here it shows the Firebase configuration. We need to copy this SDK setup and configuration, and we need to add it to the code. And after this, we need to enable the authentication. Navigate to the authentication section, and this is how it opens. And then go to settings, and then we have to click authorize domains, and we have to add our domain here. This is the domain which I have added, and this is how we enable the authentication. And then in the Firestore database, we need to create our database here in the cloud Firestore, and this is where we can see our saved searches. Also, we can see in authentication, we can see what we have searched and our login credentials here. If we refresh here, it shows who have logged in your page. Now this is how you set the Firebase project, and then let's go to our code. So this is my code. I have created a folder called assignment, and these are all the files I have included. This is the index.html file. This is how your login page looks like. Here I had added all the elements, like what type of text I want to see on my login page. Like I have named it as register here, and I have included these things in my login page, that is first name, last name, email, password, and a sign up and also sign in. If you already have an account, you have to sign in. If you have already signed in, you have to sign up. So I have included both buttons in this, and email. So this is how I have created my HTML code. And then CSS. In this CSS code, we have to include all the styling elements. I have included the what color I have to add on my login page, and sign in buttons, sign up buttons, login buttons, log out buttons, like this. I have also included the padding, background colors, positions, outlines. And after sign in or sign up, we will direct to the home page, and that is where we have to design it by naming it homepage.html. This homepage.html just contains three things mainly, that is first name, last name, and email, and a logout button. Here itself I included the color and everything of the logout buttons, and homepage.js, how it works. So this is the JS code, and then the important part of this is including the Firebase SDK configuration. This is what we have previously discussed, and the Firebase auth.js has the whole SDK configuration copied here, and this is how it works. So now let's see how our code works. So this is my sign in page. First I'm showing you how to sign in. So yeah, it is directed to the home page. See, it has my first name, second name, and this, because I have already signed in. And I've logged out. So I'm signing in with another account because I have not previously signed in there, so I'm going for sign up. So see, it shows account created successfully, and then I'm signing up with the same account now. Now let me show how it shows on the authentication. So see, now I'm going to refresh, and it shows this email is logged in now on the date. So this is how you can store your data in the Firestore, and how this is how it works. This is the login page with the Firestore. Thank you.